Welcome to the Oxford Aviation Academy Airframes, Systems and Emergency Equipment course. This interactive computer-based training course teaches the subjects of airframes, systems and emergency equipment, up to and beyond the standard required by the EASA Air Transport Pilot's Licence syllabus. The course has been developed by aviation specialists and multimedia designers at Oxford Aviation Academy, one of the world's leading professional flying training schools. The course brings together superb diagrams and animations in order to enable pilots to understand more effectively than ever before the design of airframes and the operation of the systems and components that are vital to the operation and safety of an aeroplane. The course includes lessons on the design and construction of an aircraft's fuselage, wings and stabilizing surfaces. The subject of hydraulics is fully covered, along with the associated subjects of landing gear and flight controls. The lessons on pneumatic systems include air conditioning and pressurization. Ice and rain protection is fully explained, as are fire protection and airframe fuel systems. The emergency equipment lessons include sections on emergency lighting systems, emergency exit provisions, oxygen systems, and the EASA safety equipment requirements. Each lesson is accompanied by clear, precise narration that instructs the students through each essential teaching point. Rich multimedia images and animations help support the narration to deliver engaging training. Although this course is meant primarily for student professional pilots, it will also be valuable to student aircraft engineers and technicians as a high-quality introduction to airframes and systems. We hope, too, that general aviation pilots who wish to expand their knowledge of aircraft systems, perhaps with a view to pursuing a career in aviation, will find much to interest them on this course. Finally, we hope that qualified and practicing airline transport pilots might also find this course of use, both in terms of fulfilling recurrent training requirements and improving their knowledge of aircraft systems. In order to assist students in their preparation for the ATPL theoretical knowledge examinations, you can be confident that in using this course for your studies, you will benefit from Oxford Aviation Academy's unequalled experience in successfully preparing thousands of students for the EASA ATPL examinations. The course is designed in a way which allows you to work through it at your own pace, making the most of what time you have available for study. Whilst working through the course, we advise you to have writing material and paper readily available, as you will find it useful to take notes during the lessons. Taking notes has the advantage of giving you an easily accessible record of the key concepts taught in a lesson, and, very importantly, will help you recall those concepts when revising for examinations. You will find it practical to use coloured pens to make your notes. Try to devise your own colour system when recording key concepts and associated information, as this will make your notes easier to read. If you find you are having difficulty understanding the concepts presented in a lesson, try to study the lesson key point by key point, as shown in the Quick Nav window. Concentrate on one section at a time, and don't move to a new key point until you have understood the previous one. The bookmark function within the software makes it easy for you to mark your position in a lesson, so that you can pause in your studies at any point you wish, knowing that you can return to that exact point at a later date. If you continue to have difficulty with a lesson, You may wish to try the following method of working with the software. In the first instance, work through a complete lesson in one go, listening to the words used while watching the images on screen. Then work through the lesson a second time, section by section, pausing where necessary, so that you can take notes about the key concepts in the way that we have recommended. Finally, make sure you familiarize yourself with the instruction insert on the inside of the DVD case.